Damn.
So YouTube, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and 75 degrees. And I'm heading to get something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat yet. I want food. I don't want junk food. I want food. I would also enjoy a good coffee too, probably. It's 5:30, almost 5:30 in Houston, Texas. 75 degrees, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Kind of complain about very quiet too. The wife is out with the kids and with my daughter. My son right now is driving in from Las Vegas. He went to help a friend move. He flew up last night to Las Vegas. They're driving from Las Vegas to Houston. That's a 24-hour straight. It's 24-hour drive. I don't know if they're gonna stop, but it's a few of them. So hopefully they can switch between driving and they can do a straight move, a straight drive down to Houston. They should be here by tomorrow. So I have to keep an eye on, make sure that he's safe and sound. Come to that. Okay, so I just came for some lunch. I'll show you guys what I got. Check this out. Check my head and check this out. See how big this is. It's a burrito. Check this thing out. Check this out. Huge, big. Check my hands. So I really have to show you guys my burrito. Check this out. Oh my god, this looks so good. See all that stuff in there? Beans, rice, tomatoes, beef, tomatoes. I'm not really a fan of tomatoes, but so I wasn't gonna take this home to eat it, but I wanted to show you guys. This is just half of it, and if I took it home, then it wouldn't be a car vlog, and this is supposed to be a car vlog, so I guess I have to eat it in the car to show you guys. This is pretty. I mean, I could hide behind that shit. So this is lunch, dinner, lunch. So I'm really tempted to get a coffee, but today's Sunday and I don't want to be up all night. Coffee sometimes coffee keep me up. It just depends on how strong it is. And Chick-fil-A makes some pretty good coffee, but I'm not in the mood. Let's see if we can go there for traffic. Hit the engine. So I'm gonna go to the car wash. I'm gonna go for a driving car wash just to get a quick wash. Oh word. So I just finished my car wash. I'm gonna fill my tank up with gas. Actually, I'm good. And I'm gonna head home. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna head home, relax, watch a movie, and then back to work tomorrow. My 3-day weekend is over.
Damn.